News Limited. Now, there's been plenty of attention focused on, and rightly so, Blue Mountains families affected by recent bushfires. You look at what happened at Winmalee, among other places. And we're a caring society. But it was brought to my attention today that residents and businesses in the Hawkesbury have been largely forgotten, especially on Bell's line of road, in and around Bilpin and Mountain Lagoon. Now, you remember hearing especially about Bilpin during these fires several weeks ago now, and they suffered their worst bushfires in 2 decades. And I think one of the very, very good MPs around is Ray Williams. He's the member for Hawkesbury, and he's on the line. G'day, Ray. How are you?
Really good, Andrew. How are you?
Mate, excellent. Nice to talk to you, although it would seem are the people of Bilpin and in that area along Bell's line of road getting the same sort of care as the people in the Blue Mountains?
Look, they've been a little forgotten, Andrew. I've got to say that our government has invested, as we should, about $1.5 million in emergency works for Blue Mountains residents, and there's 100 home sites that have already been cleared. We've put $250,000 into new marketing and promotion on behalf of that particular region, but sadly, the forgotten people in all of this are people in my own backyard, as you rightly mentioned, people around Bilpin and Mountain Lagoon who are owners and families who have cafes, restaurants and resorts all located in that area, and they're doing it pretty tough at the moment.
Well, we've heard from the Blue Mountains often that they're open for business. Please come along, spend your money, have a coffee at the cafe, have a meal at a restaurant, stay in the hotels, and go and see the local business. And I guess the same can be said in the Hawkesbury.
Absolutely. Look, Andrew, we know that if we can encourage people to come up and visit those areas, right across those areas that were affected, any investment in the local economy is just going to do those businesses the world of good. And we want people to recognise that the Hawkesbury is alive and well and open for business. And I've got to say, especially around the places of Bilpin and Mountain Lagoon, after 5 to 6 inches of rain, Andrew, the places never look better. And there's no better time for people to drive up to Bell's line of road and go to Bilpin. And look, not just for a day visit, because we've got some wonderful places up there. I mean, you can stop and have a great pie, and I know how you people in 2GB like a pie. I mean, Alan Jones, he's the greatest pie eater of all time.
Only if we can get them for free, Ray.
Well, look, you can't get them for free up there, but there's places like Pie in the Sky.
Pie in the Sky at Bilpin.
Absolutely right. And look, there's a stack of those places like those cafes, but more importantly, we've got some of these lovely resorts where you can stay for a weekend or a week if you want. Wallamai Wilderness Cabins, Bilpin Spring Lodge, Madison's Mountain Retreat, just to name a few, and there's dozens of them up there. And you know what? At this point in time, Andrew, they would really welcome people coming up there, spending a few bob on behalf of the businesses. And I must say, people who were all members of the RFS, every one of those families up there have dozens of people that are members of the RFS, and they really did stop that state mine fire. I think it's about time we go up there and pay them a visit and spend a few bob in their backyard.
What a nice idea, and it is a lovely part of the world, there's no doubt. And as you say, if they've had a fair bit of rain, it would be looking as good as ever. Yet there are still businesses and houses affected. And you're right, we shouldn't be forgetting those areas. And again, if we talk about going to the Blue Mountains, another wonderful part of Australia, let's head to the Hawkesbury as well. Good on you, Ray.
Absolutely, Andrew, and thanks so much.
Merry Christmas, mate, to you and your family.
You and all your family as well. Thank you.
Good on you. Take care. That's Ray Williams, the member for Hawkesbury. 131